Hi everybody, this is Lance from ThetaTraders.com. In this video I want to go over the iron fly trade that we did. I alerted it out to members yesterday at 2:45 Central Standard Time. It was a 1 DTE that expired today. I'm going to look at the trade, where we placed our strikes, why we did it based on the expected move, and how we got a 7% profit for the day. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Try to say all those subscribes and shares at the same time. It's like Sally sells a seashell by the seashore. That worked out better than the share and subscribe. Anyway, let's get right to it. All right, so we've been implementing the iron fly strategy recently at thetatraders.com. We go 1 DTE, typically based on the expected move is where we're going to be buying our widths. If you're interested in more detail on why we implement this strategy, check in the description down below. It has a detailed live stream I did over an hour long with live Q&A. So essentially, we sold a iron butterfly on Tuesday. Hard to know the days of the week. Sold it on Tuesday around 2:45, about 15 minutes before it closed, and we sold the 41.55 put. The arrow here represents where the stock price was at the time, so we're at 41.54 and so. So we sold pretty much an at the money 41.55 put and 41.55 call. Takes in a large amount of premium there. We bought the wings at 41.20 and 41.80, so it's a 25-point width there, and that was because the expected move was slightly below that, around 24 points. And we took in a premium of 17.7 in the trade. Market did gap down, and it was below. We were at a fairly decent loss here, but it was not at the expected move yet. We're at 41.35 here, and we still have to go all the way down to the 41.20 that's in the purple line here. So we're just actively monitoring it. We had a big green candle up at 9 o'clock, and then we decided to close it near the top of this green candle. We closed it at 17, so we sold for 17.7, bought it back for 17. It's a $70 profit, and it uses about $1,000 in buying power to do this trade. So that was ending up with a 7% return for just an overnight session. Notice it didn't get challenged on the call side. The call side decayed very quickly. The put side did not decay as much as the call side, but then as the market went up, the put side decayed enough where the whole position closed at about a 7% profit. So it's a good intro to these trades is to start the iron butterfly, try to get them out at pretty good target percent. I usually look for 5% at least on our profits here. And then I actually did a trailing stop on this order. It was a little bit higher profit at one point, over $100. Did a trailing stop and it got down to $70. So if these type of trades are interesting for you, you can join a 7-day free trial at thetatraders.com. If you also click on the link in the description down below, you will see a recent sale that we're doing on Theta Traders for yearly and lifetime members. So this will be a good opportunity to get in and to see how you can do well with selling options. Again, this is Lance at thetatraders.com. Hope everyone has a good rest of the trading day, and see you guys in the next one.